Ultra K9 Pro, spoken presentation script. If you're like me, your dog isn't just a pet, they're family. And you want to see them running, playing, and enjoying life with all the energy they deserve. But here's the thing, even if you buy the best dog food out there, your furry friend might not be getting the real nutrition they need. In September 2022, researchers at the University of Missouri made a surprising discovery. Most commercial dog foods, yes, even the expensive ones, are loaded with hidden hormones and chemicals. These substances slowly affect your dog's metabolism, cause unhealthy weight gain, and drain their vitality over time. That's why we created Ultra K9 Pro, a natural, science-backed solution designed to give your dog a longer, healthier, happier life. Ultra K9 Pro is unlike anything your dog has ever had before. It's just made with 9 premium primal nutrients that work together to cleanse their body of harmful toxins, support digestion, protect their joints, and restore the playful energy they had as a puppy. Just a few drops added to their food or water each day, and you'll start noticing the difference. Let me quickly share what's inside. Burdock root, supports the liver and kidneys, eases stomach discomfort. Ashwagandha, promotes thyroid health and helps your dog relax. Ginseng, boosts the immune system and supports a healthy weight. Astragalus root, aids digestion and heart health. Dandelion root, detoxifies and provides vitamin A and protein. Turmeric, reduces inflammation and supports joint mobility. MCT oil, easy to digest, helps with arthritis, and enhances turmeric's benefits. Horsetail, rich in calcium for strong bones. Bovine collagen and chicken bone broth, nourish the joints, skin, and coat. Here's what you can expect in just a few weeks: more energy, better digestion, a shinier, healthier coat, improved mobility, and a stronger immune system. And it's not just me saying this. Grace from New York says her dog Lola is like a puppy again, full of life and joy. Jacob from Wyoming says his 11-year-old dog now runs like the young pups at the park. And Riley from Chicago says it's like having a completely different dog. Right now, when you order Ultra K9 Pro, you'll also receive 2 amazing bonuses for free: the Groomer's Secrets, to keep your dog's coat and teeth in perfect condition. And Best Dog, Best Owner, proven tips to connect with and train your dog, even used by military handlers. You'll also get free shipping and a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you can try Ultra K9 Pro completely risk-free. So, if you want to give your best friend the health, happiness, and energy they deserve, now is the time. Click the link below and order Ultra K9 Pro today, before stocks run out. Your dog will thank you, with every wag of their tail.